Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, that's right, you read the title correctly. I'm learning Betfair trading. Now that may surprise or even shock many of the Profit Boss subscribers, because all along from the very beginning of when I started this channel, I've always said that Betfair trading is simply just another form of gambling and making it sound a bit fancy and a bit posh. But Carnberry, one of the most renowned Betfair traders here on YouTube, has mentioned in a previous video, although I can't find which one, but I definitely heard him say it, that he has made £2,000 in a single day from Betfair trading. Now, I wanted to see for myself if this is something that I could actually learn and do, rather than being so skeptical of it, because there are so many people now that are coming out of the woodwork saying, look, Chris, Betfair trading is a genuine thing. You can actually make money with it. You just have to really learn what you're doing. So I thought to myself, okay, why am I being so skeptical? When I mention match betting to some people, they just say it's gambling. And you and I know that match betting, where you take advantage of free bets and you bet on every outcome, is 100% not gambling. It's just pure profit, completely risk-free. So that's why I've taken the decision to learn Betfair trading, and I'm actually going to show you what I'm using to learn, so what I've bought already. And actually I've now set up a Profit Boss Betfair trading Facebook group so that we can just keep everything to do with Betfair trading separate to the match betting group. Now, before I show you what I've bought to get me going with learning the process of Betfair trading, a few of you may be asking, well, Chris, what is Betfair trading? Like, what do you actually do with it? And it's just simply where you either back an outcome at the Betfair exchange and then you lay it at lower odds and you lock in a profit before a horse race or a football match has started, or you can even trade on tennis. Or you can do that in play. So you will either lay something at lower odds and then back it at higher odds, or back something and then lay it at lower odds. And you're just locking in guaranteed profits and small profits normally, and then limiting when you do lose money, because losing money is part of it. When you do lose money, actually limiting that amount of loss there, so that over a period of time, whether it's 1 month, 6 months, a year, but over that time period, you then come out of it in profit. From what I've read so far, Betfair trading, just like financial trading, isn't actually for everyone, so you do need a certain set of skills.
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills.
Just like I guess match betting isn't for everyone. So yeah, I don't know at the moment if Betfair trading is something that I'll genuinely be able to do and make money from. But I want this channel and this video and every video I do in future about Betfair trading to be really genuine and actually share my real results with you, and not just make up, just crazy figures about how much I'm making without any real proof. Now, this is the book that I bought off Amazon. So it's called Sports Trading on Betfair, and I'll just put it close to the camera there so you can see it. So there you go. It's by Wayne Bailey, and so far I'm only 30 pages or so in, but so far it's actually really, really good. And just skimming through it, like through the pages, I can see it's filled with a lot of really good, helpful information, of course, to do with Betfair trading. If you do want to grab yourself a copy of this, I have left a Amazon affiliate link down in the description, so be sure to check that out. It cost me $9.99. It's normally, I believe, $12.99, but it's on sale at the moment for £10. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little update here with my newfound interest, which is Betfair trading. And if you have enjoyed the video, of course, please press the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.